Welcome to my channel, and let's begin a decoupage on a brass plate. I'm going to cut the the tissue which I have from all the sides and just leave the bottle and the glass in the center. Then I have this another tissue which has some grapes and leaves in it. So I will be sticking that to the areas which will be blank. Now let's check out the tissue, what all is there. As you can see, there are different sizes of grapes and the leaves, which I will be using in my other plate also. Both the plates have got grapes in it, so it is really going to help me to stick these grapes into that. I will cut out some leaves also. Now let's cut it out and come back. Here you can see I'm just tearing it off. Okay. So this I have done. This is a tiny leaf which I am going to stick in the center where there is a gap. I'm sticking everything with Mod Podge. So it's ready now and I will keep it aside and paint on all the sides. Now this is the other one which I already stuck, and these are the tools I'll be using: some brush, sponge with the stick, and some acrylic colors. These are the colors which I have to match with my picture. Now in this picture, if you can see, there is more of green and yellowish green color. So I will be spreading this all around the picture. Now this green I'm taking, this is a kind of olive green, or you can take sap green. This is sap green. You can take olive green also. And then I will be adding some sienna, some raw sienna to it, and some yellow color. And after mixing it up, I think it will show this color. Now I got the color. I've already started. Of little darker green. For the darker green, you don't have to mix any other color. I will just take the base color, main color, which I have mixed with yellow and raw sienna. See, I'm covering up all the it started. What was it exactly? Let me show you the other plate also. That is also complete. For that, I had to use little mustard color and yellow. This is the one which I showed you, and the other one is this. This is more of yellowish color because the wine is yellow, and this is the original plate. This was all damaged brass plate, so I painted it with a primer, white primer. You can use gesso, and I gave it 2-3 coatings. After that, I just cut out few tissues whichever was available for me, and I stuck it on it after tearing it, and rest we all know how it has been done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my videos and you want to learn more, please comment and subscribe for my channel. I hope you enjoyed all the videos. Have a great day. Have fun. Happy crafting. Bye bye.